Every single company in this building paid thousands of dollars to be here. Most people walking by have no idea what half of them actually do. We're here at VidCon, covering the entire event. And today, we're doing something a little different. Johnny and I are going across the entire Expo Hall. He's going to walk up to every single booth and creators, ask them a few questions, who they are and what they do. Some of these companies are brands you already know. Some of them you've never heard of. And a few of them I think are going to genuinely surprise you. By the end of the video, you're going to know exactly what's inside the VidCon Expo Hall. And honestly, a few of these might change how you run your business. Let's go.
I'm with the Chief Swag Officer, Alexa, and she's gonna tell me about her product.
Yeah, thanks so much for stopping by. So Chief Swag Officer makes all the customized microphone covers, mic flags. We have our handheld stick here. So content creators, brands and whatnot that are looking to really put their brand front and center on camera.
We offer done-for-you businesses for content creators. So whatever your niche is, we find the pain point that your audience has, whether that's in the comments or in your demographic data, and we build you an entire business that monetizes with recurring revenue, and we build it to the #1 in the category. It's just like building a business, right? You can't give up. If one video doesn't do well, if one deal doesn't work out in a business, are you gonna give up? No, you're gonna keep going, you're gonna keep going. Every time you post, it's kind of like a lottery ticket, but really you just have to keep going and never give up. It's just about being authentic to you and being unique and telling your unique side of things. Of course, you should get the hook right, make people enjoy the content, but really your unique voice is gonna take you all the way. And of course, like everything, never give up. My business is builtbyfoundry.io, and if you want to follow me, it's WestonBG on Instagram, TikTok, and everything else.
We're a summer camp. We're called Creator Camp. We're in multiple states and major cities. We teach media arts like filmmaking, animation, YouTube content creation, entrepreneurship, game design to kids ages 5 to 13.
If you like Godzilla, you're gonna love this booth. What do you have here, Cassandra?
So we're at the Bandai Namco play booth and everything is about Godzilla. So we have 2 new lines that are launching at the end of July. So we're giving everyone here a sneak peek. The first one we have is Godzilla Scramble. And then we also have another product that we're releasing called Godzilla.
So come and get your blind Godzilla and see which one that you get. And I have Alicia. She's a long-term creator, and just wanted to ask you, did you have any challenges when you first started?
Yeah, absolutely. So all of my content is original, so I write all of my own stuff. And I think my biggest challenge was just like kind of figuring out my niche and like what I wanted to write about, what type of content I wanted to do. Yeah. And then once I was able to get that, then the ball kind of started rolling in. Yeah.
Cool. Do you remember when you first started and you talked to somebody, did somebody give you any advice on how to do it and lead you in the right path?
Yeah, the best advice that I've ever gotten and what I tell everybody is stay consistent. Like, you might have one video that blows up and then 10 that do nothing. Don't get discouraged, just like keep going and stay consistent.
Fantastic advice. And where can people see you?
You can find me on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, everything.
Yeah, so I started creating for a media company and they were like, here's a new phone, review it. And I had to very quickly figure out how to start a channel, how to like shoot video, how to make a coherent...
You're force-fed.
Yes, I was a writer and I had to learn how to take the writing skills and not just like read on camera, but actually have a conversation with people. Make for a consistent audience. The consistency is all about a video that you're making now, someone has watched that, someone has loved that. Give that same person another video to love. That way you're climbing the mountain and not just running around it all the time. So I talk about the latest in technology, try to make videos about like how to help people do more on YouTube. You can find me at Rene Ritchie.
We are the manufacturer for the microphone product come from China. Our product is for the creator to do some video.
Combinations is a YouTube channel. It's run by my son, Bryson. Just merch related to the stories that he tells on the channel. So storytime animation, funny animated stories. All of this has something to do with one of the stories he's told.
I am a working actor as well as a video editor.
But while I'm busy helping them, who's helping me? Remember, retirement is a journey, so take it with confidence.
Or went pro in accounts receivable. Trust! Give him a reason, Tracy! Yeah! Woo! You're her!
I actually have a mentor who got me into just being brave enough to be in front of the camera, and something he said to me was be the person your younger self needed. So a lot of the time what I do is for younger Lou to just see someone, obviously me, like who looks like me, and I'm a strong proponent of like if we have more faces that have different walks of life and different experiences, like the kinder and more connected the world will be. So that's my advice, is just be the person your younger self needed and just create from there. My handle is @LuDagda, LUUDAGDA, and you can find me there.
One of the challenges I've had doing content creation, staying consistent, creating ideas for my content, having a consistent schedule to post and stream. Just keep trying content that you enjoy, that you appreciate making in your spare time. Eventually people will see that and they'll start to follow your content. Follow me at Sherwani SGC on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. I do long form, short form content, sometimes some live streams too. Mostly Fortnite and Roblox, but teetering towards a more variety.
Tell us about some of your new stuff you got going.
This is the one that you're using, so we do have different colors, max 2.
What are some of the real basic functions that a creator would need to have in audio?
If you can see, we got some color versions of the Larkin A1s. This would be more like entry-level microphones. It's just a simple budget solution, like $60.
Like Nasty is one of the biggest content creators in the world. She makes content for kids. She has more than 450 million followers across different platforms.
Oh, wow.
She creates content for kids and family.
Now we have Peja. She's a creator.
Everyone always told me to just like, you need to be passionate about what you're posting, because if you don't actually like what you're posting about, no one's gonna wanna watch it, because they can feel how you feel through the screen. Like if you're posting, you're really passionate about games, you're doing gaming content, people are gonna feel that you like that. But if you're posting about dances and you don't really like to dance, but you're good at it, they're gonna know that you don't like doing it. And like when I started, I really started because I wanted to spread the message of be you always and positivity, because like the social media can be really fake sometimes. Most of the time, like all the filters, and I'm the person who, I post bloopers. I'm no filters because
Love that.
like little kids, I have like a younger audience. They always just like, they have like a false beauty standard, and I just wanna like release the stigma and also talk about mental health and all of that stuff.
We're iFlat Talent from iFlat Tech. We built an AI-powered marketing platform that connects both the creators as well as all the brands. We work with the brands directly and help our creators to get a better and a smarter campaigns.
So at ShipStage, we have a print-on-demand service and fulfillment company. So what we're trying to reach is the creators, any kind of brand managers, help them put their ideas and designs into real life. So we're able to, if you had a design, for example, we could put that on a t-shirt, sweater, tote bags, help get the merchandise going so you can start to monetize your influence that you're doing on social media.
Everything I had to learn it by myself, which was hard, but you know, you learn a lot of things that you never know that you're gonna learn, of course. But then that gives you experience on how to do things. So nobody helped me. I did it by myself, sadly. But if you have someone that can help you, well, just try to get the most you can from it, and well, apply it into your channel. Consistency is the key for sure. Like if you are new creating content, don't care about what other people say or think. Just do your thing. I know it's going to be hard at the beginning, but try to be consistent. Post, and then you'll eventually, start growing up. But don't never get discouraged or sad if there's something wrong happening to the type of content you're doing. Just be yourself and be authentic. Find my channel, Jonillo Base, on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook.
They'll officially license mystery boxes. Every single one of these boxes are gonna have between 5 and 8 items every single time, and it will be officially licensed merchandise. We try to put together a bundle of different items that you can actually use and enjoy to show your love for your own content.
Are there any collector items or just things you could use on the daily?
So, it's practical collectible things.
If you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel. We're providing ongoing tips and tricks to level up your game in videography and content creation.